Hello everybody. Well, today I got another package in the mail. See, this is what happens when and if you have a job and it pays well. Well, is you work, you earn money, and you get nice things. It's up to you how you want to handle it. Like for me, I've been drooling over an item, and of course I've decided, I'd like to purchase the item, and of course allow myself to do this once every so on. In some cases, if an item is so expensive, there is such thing as looking for decent prices. And yet, I found a decent price of an item, and here's one right here. Here's the whole point about peanut styrofoam. Get it out of your sight whenever possible. And as soon as possible. And here it is. Let's just find out what this thing is. See for ourselves. Oh. That wasn't too nice. This thing. Magazine. Oh, M-14 MP008. Just something I always wanted. Now let's get it out of here. See, I always wanted the M-14 MP008 here, as you can see. If any of you can see it, okay. Oh, let's see if you can see it now. Ram it out. You see? I always wanted this particular M14 here, which appears to be the M14 MP008. And believe me, it is an M14. Just let me attach the magazine here. It's because of the movie Full Metal Jacket. Like Private Pile had one, an M14 MP008. Like this one I have here. There it comes with two magazines, of course. One I already attached to the rifle. Let me give you some light. So you can see. So here's what came with my M-14 MP008. We have the rifle. The magazine. Supposed to fit. Ooh, this one's heavy. This one. And there it is. Here's your M14 MP008. And now, let's detach the magazine. And there's another magazine that comes with it. And it's right here. And it's electric, yes, so I have to have this. And of course, here's the charger for it. Wow, looks rather used than new. This better work. I ordered it online from unlimitedwares.com. You know, I had the money for it, so I decided to purchase it. In life, you know, choices are really yours. Like if you have money for something and you want it, you may purchase it. Like I did with this. What's that? Let me do this. Oh, with this. With this MP008 M14. I had the money for it, so I decided to purchase it. And as a result of my purchase, I'm going to have to save up the money a little while longer. Or actually, I'll have to save up a little more, because my mind wouldn't stop howling for one of these. You know? Well, mainly because I was inspired by the movie Full Metal Jacket with Stanley Kubrick in order to get this rifle, that is. So yes, like I stated, in life, it's really just your choice. Like, if you want an M14 MP008, go get one. This one I got for $140 US. Not bad, huh? All that's left for me to do is save up a little more. Then maybe I'll unbox something else. Hey, this is just for show purposes. I'm not telling you to leave, I'm just displaying this. Now I'm really happy with this. I really hope I can shoot it really soon. I have personally examined every detail of this item to ensure it meets our very high quality standards. Thank you for choosing our products. Inspected by Service Department. You may pause the video if needed. We'll see about that one. In other words, I give you the Rifleman's Creed. I don't know it all, but all I have to say is this, that yes, this is my rifle. And yes, there are many like it, but this one, yes, is mine. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. My rifle and I are the my rifle is my best friend. My rifle and I are the defenders of my country. My rifle is only a tool. Without me, I am useless. Without my rifle, I am useless. I don't know the rest of the creed, but here it is. And all these other rifles here, I got for a good price as well, you can see. People ask, why do you have rifles now? I'm like, oh, I've had some of these rifles from before, actually. I decided I was going to go back into shooting just for fun. Main reason why I left, because I lost a little bit of interest. Now I'm showing some interest in coming back, mainly because of the movie Full Metal Jacket. And here it is, the MP008. An auto-electric rifle. Here's a pointer. Don't ever say gun, because your drill sergeant, you know, he or she will get mad upon hearing the word gun. Well, that's all I have for now. See you all around.